Good morning, friends. It's Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. Now, forgive the wet, stringy hair. It's been a crazy morning, but I wanted to jump on and tell you about this amazing new online tinnitus workshop. It was developed by a very good friend of mine, Dr. Shannon Marie. She's an audiologist at All Ears Therapy, and she has created this online workshop. It has 9 weeks of videos for tips and tricks to not only survive with tinnitus, but thrive with it. The best part about this program is it's only $199, which is such an incredible value, you guys. So check it out. I'm going to put a link in the comments here, but also please go to the Facebook page for Geneva Hearing Services. You do not need to be a Facebook member to see our page, but that's going to have more information on it. And of course, if you have questions, just leave those in the comments and I'll get back to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks, you guys.